What do you mean?
I can't know which side of the cones to go on.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. What's he doing? I guess you can't back up, huh? Well, I wouldn't try it. You could, if you could get around him a little bit, you could go this way. Because he might try to pick up another person. You'll be waiting behind him forever.
Take the next right onto North Access Road.
No, he's got the same problem with people. I mean, he didn't want to lose a ride. So now he's going that way, hoping somebody will say, hey, take me. No, he's telling a cab he has to turn. See, he's trying to get somebody to...
What are you doing?
Wow, this is... He won't go.
Asshole.
They're gonna...
Like, I was probably glad I was honking to
Take the
help him
next
out.
right onto
Yeah,
South
it
11th
did.
Street.
Like, I wasn't trying to be rude, but I think that's what needed to happen.
Yeah, I know. I think so too, because he didn't want to listen to him.
Maybe a loud horn would help you.
Which way are they telling you? Right.